So I want to conclude this episode of Investing in Stocks with some brief thoughts on day trading phenomenon, because with 25 years plus as a financial advisor and portfolio manager, man, I've witnessed a great deal of traders. When I started my career, we used to use a vacuum air tubes to route orders to the cage when they were hand typed into a system. So I know I'm sounding archaic. I'm just trying to say I have a lot of experience with people who traded. No matter how far I go back with technology, greed has always been a component of stock investing. Electronic execution and the speed of the internet trades has only amplified the greed factor. Combine that with videos of how to get rich quick, or other people spouting out their strategies for instant riches, and you get an industry for day trading. I've watched many interviews where day traders call buy and hold investors suckers. I wonder why the Forbes list of richest people are filled with buy and hold investors, but I've never viewed a single day trader that has made the list 2 years in a row. I'm not going to tell my viewers to not day trade, but I am hopeful that the lessons you learn from my videos will make you a better long-term investor. If my desire is to help you turn your dreams into goals, then day trading will not be the anchor you use to help you achieve your ambition. Invest in yourself by helping us make more videos. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit the like and subscribe. Hit the like and subscribe and notification button.